Today I will show you that how you can easily update YouTube application on your iPhone and Android. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, open up the App Store on your iPhone and Google Play Store if you are on an Android. Then you'll have to tap on the search bar on the top and then search for YouTube. After that, you'll be able to find the YouTube application. You'll have to tap on it, and if it says update, you'll have to tap on update and update it to the latest version. But if it says open, there's still another way to update it to the latest version forcefully, and to do that you'll have to head over to the settings of your iPhone, and this way will also clear the cache of your YouTube application. Then you'll have to head over to the general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on YouTube. After that, you'll have to tap on offload app, then hit offload app again. Now it will not delete any one of your useful files. It will only clear the cache of YouTube application and will help you to use YouTube application smoothly without any glitch or bug. And after that, you'll have to tap on reinstall app, and it will take some time to load, and it will be updated to the latest version, and you'll be able to use all the latest features of YouTube application. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.